So, there I am, sat at the piano in an uptown hotel lobby. I'm not a pianist. The great and the good are gathered around drinking their drinks. Then, in through the revolving door, stumbles a dusty old man with an ostrich on a lead. They waddle right up to me, and the man says, "You want to know what happened next, don't you?" That's what great content does. The power of the story. Hooks you in, makes you want to know more. We specialize in making great content for brands, which means we don't just need to know the stories people want to follow, but how to tell them. And our specialist social media team makes sure the right people see them and that your content lands every time. If you want to find out more about creating great food, drink, and lifestyle content, and you want to make sure it gets seen, or if you want to find out what happened to the dusty old man and the ostrich, then your story starts here.